The Rode Wireless Micro just got an update that makes a great microphone superior everything else. So the latest firmware to the Rode Wireless Micro is going to enable so you can connect this microphone directly to your smartphone without the need of plugging in the receiver into your phone. So let us go through the update so you can see how it works, because this is amazing. So the first thing we need to do, that is to open a Rode Capture app in your smartphone. And now when we have that open, we're going to connect the Rode Wireless Micro into the phone, so it's going to be updated. So first we're going to connect the receiver into the bottom of the smartphone like this. And after we have connected the receiver, we're going to take out the transmitters out from the charging case, and now we'll be able to update the system. So we will automatically get this prompt where it says firmware update, and then we just tap update. The firmware is updated. Let's tap done. Next thing we're going to do to be able to connect this microphone wirelessly to the phone without the receiver is that we're going to unplug the receiver. Like that, we're going to put it back into the charging case. And now we're going to pair this microphone to the Capture app, because it's not pairing to the phone itself. It's not standalone pairing. It needs to be connected to the Capture app. Then press this little icon up here that is a microphone, and now it doesn't show up, and that is because we need to be in pairing mode. And to put this microphone into pairing mode, let's put it back into the charging case, and then we're going to take it out of the charging case, and now we can see that we're going to start pairing. No, it needs to be in the charging case for a little bit longer, and then we're going to take the microphone out, and now we can see that it's in pairing mode because it's flashing and it's still not showing up, and that is because we need to update the app itself in the iPhone as well. So let's go into App Store. So let's update the Rode Capture app. Let's go into the microphone up here again. And now we can see that we have direct connect to TX. TX is transmitter. And if we press that one, we're going to allow it to connect. And it's searching for it, and now it shows up, so I'm just going to tap it again. Now we are connected to this wirelessly. And the best thing is that this means that you can take the other microphone that you have here and connect that one to a separate iPhone, so you don't even need to have them connected to the same, which is fantastic. And we also have one more setting that is brand new in this update. If we press this microphone again, and here we have TX1, this is transmitter number 1, NR stands for noise reduction, and now it's set to off, and then we can tap that one and set it to low, high, and off. And if you wonder, if we plug in the receiver into the microphone and then we tap the microphone up here, we can see that we are now connected via this receiver, and we also have the noise reduction here as well. Now let's try the noise reduction feature on this one. I have an air conditioner sound on my laptop that I have just right here. It's just standing right here. So we're going to turn on that. This is when it's off, and this is when it's low, and then high again, and then off. So this is an amazing update for the Rode Wireless Micro. If you don't have it already, click the link in the description box below so you can grab one, because this is a fantastic wireless microphone system. Thank you so much for watching. Next thing we can do, that is to see each other in the video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.